row your boat gently down. You have to start.
Oh, me?
Yeah.
Oh, you don't go one time through?
Oh, do you want me to?
No. Don't go
ahead.
one time.
Go ahead.
Okay. Row, row, row your boat.
Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. I liked how we couldn't row when we sang that song.
I had to go over.
And my foot started cramping up.
Wait, I wanted to go over there. Get on that hill.
Check out that plane.
It's pretty low.
It's crazy. It's just like levitating.
Liftage.
Oh, I think it's coming at us. That's probably why it looks like that, huh?
Yeah. I don't see it, Captain. Oh, there we go.
You just don't have the power.
Wait, where are we going? To a hill?
We're taking the long way home. You know what I feel like? I feel like Lewis and Clark.
Merryweather.
Merryweather.
And you're
Second Joanna.
second to me.
That's me.
Guess what?
But
Merryweather had red hair.
am I? Wait, no.
Merryweather Lewis and
Clark.
What's Clark?
William.
I'm Billy. I'm Billy.
Billy Clark.
Billy. I'm Billy.
Okay, fat Billy. Where are we going?
That way.
No, I'm turning this around.
No.
Ow.
Fine.
I overpower you.
It's your strength, man. It's
Like
your
Bruce
strength.
Strength. Hey, you know our little what's it called? The ice skating rink that we made? That Zorba's made that we expanded?
That we made.
Did he ever say anything about that?
No.
It's so good.
Okay, let's just take a little detour here through the grass.
Grass.
I can't paddle.
I can.
I'm good now. I'm good.
Do you hear that? Shh.
That's grass.
That's grass.
Yeah.
Turn the heat around.
Now where?
wanted to
It pretty
see if
much
we could
looks like a
land.
dead end.
I wanted to see if you could land.
I don't want to go through this. There could be wildlife.
Dude, it's all marsh.
No, it's not.
Yes, hon. It's
Look at-
considered wetlands.
I think there's a trail right there.
I live here.
There's a trail.
It's wetlands.
Want to bet?
No.
Here, I'll show you.
If you get off, I'm leaving you.
Yeah.
I'm not
And
gonna
you'll have
get
to
off.
swim back to shore. She'll have to swim back to shore. That would be
Trail, right
sick.
here.
I can see.
Well, you can get off.
I can see you're lying. There's a trail
Is it? Can you
that
step
the
in it?
animals take.
Through the wetlands.
Okay, fine.
It's scary. It gives me the willies.
Well, I'm Billy.
Heebie-jeebies.
Oh, sorry. I was like, there's something following us in the water. That would be the string attached to the boat. My bad.
You put it in. Why did you put it in the boat? You put it in the water?
I don't know. I just untied it.
Anchors away. Okay,
Oh.
we're homeward bound.
Mayday.
Nope, back up. Back up.
Let's go forward.